Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to see description in YouTube. I'll be showing you how to do this on the YouTube app for your mobile devices, but first of all on youtube.com for your laptop computers. Once you're on a video, you want to scroll down like you can see me doing here, then hover over where it says show more on the screen like I do there, click on that, and then you'll be able to see the full description, links and all in there. You can also click show less, so you can toggle between that back and forth however which way you want to. Then on your phones, you'll want to look at the right hand side of the video title, the little downwards arrow. Click there as I do, then that will bring up the full description. Then if you want to show less of that again, you just have to click that upwards arrow, then it will show less of the description. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the YouTube app. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.